Hi everyone, welcome to Jerematics Tutoring. In this video, I will be giving you a brief introduction to the factorial. What a factorial symbol is this exclamation mark right here. This is a factorial symbol. Well, what is a factorial? Well, what a factorial means is that if you got a factorial symbol of integer n, and you're going to be performing the factorial operation on it, then it's the product of all positive integers less than or equal to n all the way to 1. So this might be confusing you right now, but I'm going to give you some examples involving numbers so you can see what I mean. An easier way to explain this would be to say that, well, we got a factorial symbol with a number, or a variable n, and it's we multiply all the whole numbers starting from the number in front of the factorial symbol all the way to 1. All the whole numbers. And they must be positive. And when I say whole positive numbers, I'm talking about things like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, so on and so forth. The first example I'm going to give you is 3 factorial. 3 factorial. Well, what do we do 3 factorial? The definition of a factorial is the product of all positive integers less than or equal to 3 all the way to 1. So, 3 factorial is equal to 3 times 2 times 1, because you multiply all of the whole numbers between 1 and the number in front of your factorial symbol. So 3, 2, 1. So 3 times 2 times 1, which is equal to 6. So 3 factorial is 6. To go over this one more time, you take the number in front of the factorial and you multiply it by the consecutive integers that are less than or equal to 3 all the way to 1. And then once you get to 1, then you stop. The next example I'm going to give you will be something like 4 factorial. 4 factorial. 4 factorial. Well, just like in the last example, we multiply all of the positive consecutive integers that are less than or equal to 4 all the way to 1. So, 4 factorial is written as 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 4 times 3 is 12. Times 2 is 24. Times 1 is 24. So 24. 4 factorial is 24. Because all we're doing is we take the number in front of the exclamation mark and then we multiply it by all of the positive consecutive integers that are less. So 4 and then multiply it by a number that's 1 less than 4. 3 multiplied by a number that's 1 less than 3. 2, and then we do that. We repeat this over and over again until we get to the number 1. That's what a factorial is. I'm going to give you one more example, and then that will wrap up this short video on introduction to factorials. 5 factorial. Let's go with 7 factorial. 7 factorial. 7 factorial. How do we expand 7 factorial? Well, it's all the numbers, the product of all the whole numbers between 7 and 1. So we'd write this as 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Well, let's multiply all these numbers together and see what we get. 1 times 2, that's 2. So that's 2. Times 3, that's 6. Times 4, that's 24. Times 5, that's 120. 120 times 6, that's 720. And then 720 times 7. 720 times 7, that is 5,040. So 5,040. So 7 factorial is 5,040. And that is how you expand factorials. I hope this video helped you. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. And if you like my content and would like to stay up to date, then feel free to subscribe. In the next video, I will be giving you some more examples of working with factorials, for example, dividing factorials and other operations you can perform in factorials.